Yo, what's up, guys? It's motovlog day, and I'm sorry I missed an upload, but I think we should try something new. Ah, that's better. Look at this. Look at this. Can you guys see any better? Can you guys actually see some of the details around me? Right? Oh, my voice cracked. There's a cop over there. Can you guys see some of the stuff around me finally? Look at this. I have to try and remember to keep my head up. Hey, currently editing this video. I know it's short, and I know that the whole time the camera's looking at the ground. I told you there's gonna have to be bugs that I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna figure out, maybe I might go side mount so I can look around and you can still see. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out a way to try and make it look more up. But I just thought that I would say, I know you're looking at the ground the whole time in this video. I still hope you enjoy it anyway, and it will be fixed for the next one. Because for some reason, the video is like cropped still, and I don't know why. I don't know why. Great, now there's cops behind me, so now I'm gonna be a nervous wreck. Huge shout out to my friend Michaela and my brother Josh, who helped me tremendously with this. I hope that there's not school hours and I was just speeding in a school zone, because I would fucking cry. That would fucking suck. Anyway, huge shout out to them. It wouldn't have been possible without them. There's no way it would have been possible, because they helped me get the stuff that I needed to set it up. But right now, I'm on my way to the gym. I can't talk much because my visor's fogging. As you can see, it's very cold. I actually need to crack it here. It's very cold. This is the first setup, so I know there's going to be some bugs that I have to work out. You know, for some reason the video's cropped really bad sometimes, and I don't know why. But I, you know, that's just stuff that I'll have to figure out as we go. But I'm so fucking excited on being able to have good quality for you guys. I hope everything goes well. I know it's gonna be a pain in the ass because of storage, so I'm gonna have to keep stopping and starting my video again, because it's just, you know, a pain in the ass. Storage is a big deal. The Stone's dealing with it, and now unfortunately I'm gonna have to deal with it. But you know, it is what it is. I'm just so thankful for both of them for helping me make better quality for you guys. Finally, it's about time that people see in good clarity, right? Do we go for this? Yeah, we're gonna go for this. Even though there was cops behind me, should we do a little pull in high definition? Should we like do a high def quick pull? I think we shall we? Yes, we shall. Hey? Was that good or what, boys? Oh man, it's not warm. It's not warm. But I just need to hear what the highway sounds like. I hope I'm not yelling at you guys. My mic is a lot closer to my mouth on this one than it was on the other one. So I'm gonna have to find out where I can talk, you know, if I can talk like this or if I have to scream a little bit. So if it's loud, I do apologize. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, it's so nice. But you guys have seen me do this drive before, so I'm gonna save battery and SD card space, and I'm just gonna break this out, and if I think of something to talk about, I'll bring y'all back. I might hit some traffic, guys. I can't really tell, but it's about this time for when you start to hit traffic, which sucks dick. That kind of looks like my friend Libra's car. It is his car, but not, you know, his car. It's the same make and model, but not his car. Let me tell you, I'm freezing. I think I've said that a lot. It is cold. Also, another surprise. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm not going to mention it. I just got today. My uncle bought me something that I've kind of wanted to do on this bike for a while now. I think I am going to hit a little traffic, so fuck me right in my ass. I am going to be installing something, if that gives you a hint. So yeah, I'm excited for that. That video should be coming soon. I'm hoping to do 2 videos this week because of me missing yesterday. But the only reason I missed yesterday is because I knew that the stuff to help me record was coming in. So I wanted to wait, you know, and you know, record a quality video for you guys, basically. Alright, I'm gonna pass this fucking Jeep as soon as this RAV4 goes. My hair is in my face, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the traffic! We're just about to my exit, finally. Oh, that's a cool truck. He's probably freezing his ass off like I am. I need to definitely get I need to definitely get some winter gloves, because these are summer gloves. And if you see all these plastic things, I don't know where the camera is on my face, like for this, what you can see and what you can't. All these black pieces are plastic and they all have holes in them, because these are like super thin summertime gloves. So basically, it's like I'm not wearing gloves at all because of the wind that is just plowing my fingers right now, dude. It's just plowing my fingers. Oh, the Steelers play tonight. I'm hoping to watch that game a little bit, you know. Alright, finally, my exit. That only means I'm like, 10 minutes away, maybe. The highway is the shittiest part. Shit, as dark as it gets, I don't know if I'm going to be able to film on the way home. I'm not going to be here very long. I'm just going to do a little workout, because Stone's not coming with me. I'm alone. Stone's at work. And I think he ran out of trips to this one, because this isn't his home gym. But we've been missing a lot, and I need to, or not a lot, but we missed like 3 days this month. And I really need to get back on track. I was proud of what I was building at Planet Fitness, and I need to continue to build upon that base. Once you have a base, you know, once you have a base that you like, you need to continue to build on that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, can this mic here pops? You guys hear that? Give you a couple more. You like that? Call me Oprah. Or not Oprah, an opera singer. Oprah, what the fuck, Oprah? God dang it. I'm almost there, thank God. Oh my God, can y'all see how far away this car? Look. That car is like 4 car lengths behind this car, dude. I could fit a semi-truck and trailer in between that gap that this lady just left. Oh, fuck. Look how much she's pulling up. Ah! Almost lost my balance. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Nice truck. Keep going. She's not gonna. Havana, ooh, na, na. My heart is in at least Atlanta, ooh, na, na. Is that how the song goes? I'd have to go, oh, na, 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 na. I think that's how it goes. Atlanta, ooh, na, na. I put my heart in East Atlanta, ooh, na, na. You know, if I keep doing that, I'm gonna get copyright struck. 2 of my videos, one of them I did put a song in, the other one had no music in it. They've got fucking a copyright strike. Can you fucking believe that? What bullshit. Our light's getting ready to turn green. We're almost here. Oh, this little playground for kids. Oh my God. Oh, speaking of talking like that, Big Mouth. Haven't finished it yet, but I've watched a couple episodes, and let me fucking tell you, dude. The new Big Mouths, if you're a Big Mouth, if you like the show Big Mouth, it's gnarly. This the season is quite gnarly. I can see my gym. I'm so close to being able to be warm. I'm so cold. Oh my God, Lola. I wish I could do Lola. Andrew! That kind of sounded more like Marge Simpson. I wish I could. I want to try it. Andrew. No, I can't do it. Apparently I do a good Marge Simpson though. No, where is that guy? Okay, he went that way. Yeah, that way. Okay, I need to jump on the subway. Okay, yeah, get into it, I guess. I am so happy to have this. Now, do I bring my helmet in, or do I let my helmet out, stay on the motorcycle? I haven't decided yet. Let's see. Let's see if we can find some good parking. Hopefully it's not too busy. Let's see. Well, it looks quite busy. Should I just go right here? Oh, there's a dude in there. Oh, I can go right here. I'm gonna go right here. I can go right there. I'm going right there. If this truck doesn't take it, I'm going up there. But he might take it. I'll give him the opportunity to take it before I do. Or this van. No? You know, I'll just stay right here. Fuck it. I'll just stay right here. Alright. It's time to go get a pump, boys. Alright. We're just leaving the gym. That's actually the busiest I've ever seen it. And I don't know how long I'm going to be able to record because, you know, it's getting dark. I know this camera's got a little bit better low light, but I turn off the auto low light feature because it can sometimes crop the video and fuck with shit. So we're heading home now. You know, if you know me, you already know what the fuck I did. I did arms. So my arms are a little bit sore, just a little bit. Oh god, it's gonna be, oh look at that, like sunset. The sunset, where are those sirens? The sunset already happened. Let me close my visor, since I don't know how this sound's gonna be. The sunset already happened, but man, isn't that just something you guys can finally see a little bit better, huh? Finally. Yeah, my arms hurt, definitely. I did, preacher curls, and then I did some tricep extensions, which I actually went heavier than I thought on those. For some reason, the tricep extensions, I was doing 85 pounds, like for reps of 10, and I did like 5 sets of 10, and I was like, what the fuck? Like I never do my triceps like ever. So I was surprised when I was able to do so much weight. But yeah, oh man, look at that. Look at the pink clouds and shit. I don't know how well you guys can see that, because I know I have to lean up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, because I'm just gonna suffer on the way home, and it's getting dark, so you know, there's not much for you guys to look at anyway. So listen, shout out to my friend Michaela and my brother Josh for really helping me out. There's a really cool video coming, installing something on my bike that I've always wanted. So yeah, that'll be happening really soon. My visor's fogging up, so hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully I have no problems. We'll see as soon as I get home, because I'm gonna edit and upload this same day, so we'll see. But if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later.